something about myself. My name is Maston. The person who was born in a place worse than Mbare, Rwanda, Kigali, a place where guns are more than cell phones. Tell them.
Yeah, that is true.
So, what do you want to know about me before you give me any money? Because I'm going to wear Gure and grab mad minox because I said so.
After grabbing, what do you want to do?
Just the way I killed the guy.
Well, what's wrong with it?
He's not giving me money.
Money for what?
I just need money.
For what?
He knows it.
Tell us, what we want to know.
It's good.
If it's for drugs, we won't give you money. But if it's for
you want money to buy drugs? Is a good
you want money to buy drugs.
If he doesn't want,
you want money for drugs.
So that means he's in the coffin with Pofera.
He doesn't do drugs. He doesn't do drugs.
What kind of coffin na Pofera?
Who is Pofera, by the way?
Pofera is Maston's friend. I don't know about you. But Minox, if you're not my friend, you're going to die.
So we want him to die.
So we want him to join Guru.
He just has to give me money for Guru just to fix my items. For him to go back. Which items? You're asking about witches.
I want to know about them, cousin.
Which is which? That is that.
So you're keeping the secret from me.
It's like hiding a secret banana.
It's okay.
Secret banana, do I get that?
It's okay, Master. I thought we were very close.
Being very close
But you are
as
denying
relatives, you as some gang, if I be your friend, maybe someone think at all.
I'm your uncle.
Nekubatwa na chief. Rogaska pa mutu nusungiro no room wale mama atina na some gang. No vuri was my some gang is my no rovers.
I'll protect you, Master.
I'm protected by the court of arms of the Lord.
I love you, Master.
I loving me.
Yeah.
Doesn't even work. Find a business proposal or find yourself a bib and so juice card. Airtime.
But it's not me.
Go do business.
It's not me once.
Me, I'm a king.
It is you
I just
money.
ask you money. If you don't want me, if you don't want to give me money.
Why don't you start a business?
So, hold on to pay money in there. You don't do pay money in there.
You come from
Master, do you know that guy? He's the one who's riding a bicycle.
She's a rotten scandal. Wedzera. Not a finger. Or a kerosene.
Kerosene. Don't do that, my cousin. It's not good.
How come your head is not starched?
Yeah,
and there's no feathers?
He does not need sky.
You look cheap today.
Buy feathers for me.
Only the shoe works.
Buy feathers for me.
The shoe is expensive. Is it plastic?
It's not plastic.
Oh, that's plastic.
It's leather.
That's not. Let me like leather.
Like yours.
Never lie like Everton Beanie for I say
You are
so.
a big man, Master. I'm not as big as you are.
Never like leather. Never lie like Everton Beanie for Silverstone in collaboration with Maston Sound. They said so. It's a diss to Everton Beanie because we're taking over the radio station. You don't have to broadcast anything with the tempo, man, because I've got the tempo myself. Come to my ring.
What is the tempo?
The tempo is Silverstone because I've got the rock in Adikidia. Being mad. How come I call you madman? This one is madman. Mad Minox, you are a madman.
So you are mad master.
Mad Minox.
Mad Master.
What's the word mad?
What a combination.
You're failing. You're failing to like the word mad. How about mad Chaplin?
But I already remember now no furi.
Saka ngatifidi butane pa camera.
Dagro the camera steady.
I enjoy the media. Oh, it is live.
Kufidi bucha ndo kuitase kwa mazi.
Selector Gabo Kuda.
Yeah.
Selector. What's up, you want me to silver stone?
I might be celebrity.
Maston is coming with the new songs and the new rhythms.
Chimimba one.
New Gideon.
Chimimba one Maston.
It's none of your damn business. You just have to throw the rock in at the Gideon. For I am the king, you're not the king. Where's the ground? You're hiding the ground. That's why I want my money is good.
What are good at him?
Ah, man. That's Professor you're speaking.
Do that one for the good.
No talk about fear, no talk about fear. For we as good, we live by a ritual. You don't have to know about it because you're too mad. You know nothing. He's refusing to give me money.
Don't be there, Maston. Why did
He's
you?
kissing before you even board the plane.
Maston, every day, but
They're speaking English. Don't even collaborate. Shona and English. Don't literally translate the English in Shona.
But every time you come here, I give
That's
you money.
literal translation.
Every time you come here, I give you money.
Where is it? You came from Canada working for a lot of money. How much is a Canadian dollar in Zimbabwe? It's millions. You come here as a millionaire and you shine. Eh? Right now he's opening a cider.
Inside the Zambezi.
Because you know what is true. It's so special. Hello. Drinking gold in Zambezi. I'm just smoking a Pacific.
But I work hard for my money. What do you do to make a living?
Me?
You.
I'm a working.
A working king. Which palace?
61 China Murehwa Street. Mbare Nation. Yeah.
China Murehwa Street.
Yeah. We also have a Chinaman there.
I can't see China Murehwa. I can China
Murehwa. We give with Mishanga Shike. He used to play for China. He's staying around my crib. Near my crib.
Alright.
Yeah. He's a footballer.
Oh. That's why you always out of the China Murehwa.
He's part of your friend.
He's my friend. Give him Shaka Shika is my friend.
So why aren't you flying together? I know birds with same feathers fly together.
I've been to China before, man.
Also, you're believing that you are a bird now. Okay. You are coming to Kuda now. You have no right to ask me just because you're older and I'm young. I just crossed the river Jordan without anything. Nice inscription. We see him dressed in his types of jabbed clothes. You see that the person is not old. He's young enough to make someone What is your problem like it? Find Marcus Gaffa.
But we are not going to what is that?
Find Marcus Gaffa. It's live on media.
Una moto
Ale futi jana mutamoto jana. Samkang is busy texting with the Hawaii.
But I'm going to get
Hawaiian. Are you far? Are you testing the bounty hunter? Are you testing the Audi? Are you testing the bounty hunter from Honolulu?
He sent you some money. What money?
from Hawaii.
You want money? I want him to
We've got a bounty hunter.
I want him to send you money.
He's going to get you mad minnows because he wears feathers and some cowries.
I need to go, but I'm going to take a Gideon.
Just throw the rock in the Gideon, then I wear my Gideon, then we fight.
You need to support Guri. I support Guri.
I'm original Klux Klan.
Class Clange.
Oh, you don't know Clarks? You shall talk.
Talk about why?
That demon should come out because I want that crown you are hiding.
What crown, man?
You are hiding something from me. So you just got to give me a little bit of just for me to go as good. Because if I leave without anything, you'll be in a scrutiny, my friend. You find, I don't know why exactly you find
Maston.
Chef Linguini.
Maston, what I heard before,
to make you a ratatouille, because you have to eat a ratatouille for you.
What's a ratatouille?
It's an Italian delicacy.
Sure.
It's special.
Maston, I heard Kunzi Vanano Penga Washinjantor in English. Is that the same thing with you? Uno Pengeri.
If you ask in Shona, or at least I'm speaking in English, you want me to literally translate myself into nothing. Inini and the penge, and penga itora jurungu, no rabbit, anushiki on a murungu. Murungu, Kujimarawi, the Mwari.
I don't Mzungu. You also Marawi, didn't know Marawi.
You know nothing about Malawi.
I know everything about Lawis.
What do you know about Malawi?
Everything.
You don't know even Bodamwanza. You don't know Mulanji. You know nothing about Malawi. It's a tiny island just like Jamaica. But it is the heart of Africa.
Malawi is a country, it's not an island.
It's a certain kind of a language that we say in Africa. We say nothing is an island.
No, you know, no man is an island.
Someone wants to speak with me because I'm not mad. Sindichokera murai, zimachokera kumarawi kwa Chishasha. Maudziwa Lirongwe Village FP Farm Jirinda.
Ndikumene mumachokera.
Yeah.
Zina rani umuchetu wa kudani.
Zina ranga ineyo.
Kudzinza kumene mumachoka.
Umadziwa Jamizoni.
Sindikudziwa.
Oh, sindikudziwa nothing. You know nothing about Malawi. I don't know.
Bamba Jamison.
Anyway. Usachita
Pangono.
Pangono kukamba kwa kalamba zuziwa. So that is good. That is that. Sinifuna kuyangula niwe.
Ndifuna ukuza bangono. Boti iweyo
Wakajako. You drunk. I cannot say things over and over just because I'm on camera. You're speaking absolutely nothing.
Usatere mwene. Usatere. Tiankura vanhu vamvesese kudzinza kwa kumene umachoka ndizimene umachita si pamenepo ndikuyambura iweyo
Pamenepo ineyo mavuto aripo ambiri
ochita tani
anyawo
iwovhina kure
siudzi wanyawo machokera Malawi pasiudzi wanyawo
ndani
we
sichoka Malawi sichoka Malawi
machokera Zambia
koma ndi imba yankura
mango yankura
ndiri muzezuru wokomesesa wosati chokera Malawi iyayi kungokamba che
Osanama jumwene nama
arukana mani arukamba arukana uti
Ari kunena boza bambo.
Bodza.
Nimango kamba kupera.
Bodza.
Urukamba? Urukana?
Chamba leo unoziva ndiri mubrand yapfuura iwewo.
Samazviya.
Handikoda ngoshaina nechibranda ivosi.
Ataure chibranda kana uri mubranda.
Hakuna chiro chinonzi chibranda ndiri muchawa.
Tyre they speak Cheo. Nyanja and Cheo are allowed. Yes. That's deep and not such deep. That falls under Zambia. You can even find people who will speak that type of language in a hieroglyphic way in Mozambique. Portuguese Zambian nationality. Speaking. So iwewe ufuna kugwira chakuyu chakumarawi ukagwira ineyo ugwira kampini we
tikamba
osakana
tikamba
bosha